Winter is a busy time for island roads, even though highways improvement work is scaled back. The cold, wet and windy conditions aren't right for the laying of resurfacing materials, but winter brings with it plenty of other tasks to help us keep the network safe and accessible. That work starts in the autumn months. Each year, all road studs, or cat's eyes, are checked ahead of the long dark nights ahead. This is done at night by our district stewards across all 131 kilometres of the network where road studs are in place. Those defective or missing are replaced. Our stewards also check roadside ditches are clear of debris, so they channel rainwater off or away from the highway. All landowners must ensure water from their property does not flood the highway. A leaflet called Ditch It explains these duties. Dying or damaged trees pose a greater risk in high winter winds or when the earth beneath is saturated. Private landowners must safely manage trees that affect the highway. We've produced a leaflet, Inspect and Protect, to explain how islanders can ensure their trees don't pose a risk to highways users. We also ensure that highways are gritted whenever freezing or close to zero temperatures are forecast. We receive special localised weather reports to help us decide when to mobilise our gritting lorries. Not all roads are gritted. The Isle of Wight Council decides which roads are treated in freezing weather. The emphasis is on main roads and those connecting towns. We apply grit to over 350 kilometres of road. That's 43% of the network. Our winter maintenance depot at Stag Lane near Newport stores 1,600 tonnes of grit ready for the months ahead. That's more than enough to last even a severe winter. Though people refer to grit, the substance is actually graded rock salt. Drivers should remember that although salting helps prevent ice forming at temperatures above -4, there are occasions when conditions mean that roads can still ice over. Motorists should always drive to the conditions and take extra care in freezing weather. Stay safe this winter.